In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Navbar sticky in Framer. A sticky navbar stays visible at the top of the screen while your visitors scroll, making navigation faster and more consistent. In Framer, this is quick to set up and gives your site a polished app-like feel. I'll walk you through it clearly, and I'll add a few helpful tips so you avoid common pitfalls. First, go to Framer, open the project where you want the sticky navbar, or bring up the page you're currently designing. Give yourself a moment to look at the Layers panel and the canvas so you know where your header area will live. If your page already has a lot of content, great. That will help you immediately see the sticky effect once we switch it on. If not, don't worry. The setup is the same. Next, click on Insert. You'll find Insert in the toolbar, and it opens a panel with components and elements you can add to your page. Think of Insert as your shortcut to pre-built production-ready pieces. If you like working fast, you can also use the search field in the Insert panel to jump directly to what you need. The goal here is simply to open the component library so you can add a navigation bar to your canvas. Now, add a navbar. In the Insert panel, look for a navbar or navigation component and drop it onto your page. Place it visually at the top of your layout so it's the first thing users see. Make sure it sits inside the main page or scrollable frame, not floating outside your page structure. This helps the sticky behavior attach to the right scroll area. You can customize the links, logo, and spacing now or later. A quick organizational tip: rename the layer to something clear like Navbar so it's easy to find in the Layers panel as your design grows. With the Navbar selected, change its type to sticky. Head to the right-hand Properties panel and look for the Layout or Behavior settings. Switch the type to sticky and set it to stick to the top. Keep the offset 0 if you want it flush to the top edge. If your page has overlapping content, ensure the navbar sits above other layers so it remains visible, and give it a solid background to avoid transparency issues. Finally, preview and scroll to confirm it holds at the top. If nothing seems to happen, add a bit more vertical content so you can see the sticky behavior in action. And that's it, a clean, reliable sticky navbar in Framer.